Forms of verbs with Urdu meanings, Part 5. 100. Kick. ठोकर लगाना, kicked, kicked. He was kicked out of his house. Knit, बुनना. Knitted, knitted. She was knitting my sweater. वो मेरा स्वेटर बुन रही थी. Lay, रखना, अंडा देना. Laid, laid. टेबल को लगाना भी lay the table. Laying table and laying the egg. To go for test online, the forms of verbs, go Google search ye English forms of verbs test with Urdu meaning on englishyear.com. Next verb is level, हमवार करना, बराबर करना. Leveled, leveled. Level the bed before making. बिस्तर लगाने से पहले हमवार कर ले. Listen, सुनना. Listened, listened. Listen to me closely. मुझे गौर से सुनो. Lock, ताला लगाना. Locked, locked. The door was locked. दरवाजे पर ताला लगा था. Lose, ढील देना, भूल जाना, खो देना. The verb lose, loosened, loosened. But with the L-O-S-E, lose, is भूल जाना, खो देना. Lost, lost. He lost his pen somewhere. वो कहीं अपना पेन भूल गया. March, चलना, पैदल चलना. Marched, marched. Measure, पैमाश लेना. Measured, measured. Melt, पिघलना. Melted, melted. Migrate, हिजरत करना. Migrated, migrated. Miss, खो देना. Missed, missed. Mix, मिलाना. Mixed, mixed. Motion, हरकत देना. Motioned, motioned. Mount, चढ़ना. Mounted, mounted. Mourn, मातम करना. Mourned, mourned. Note, याद करना, लिख लेना. Noted. Obey, तामील करना, हुक्म मानना. Obeyed, obeyed. Object, एतराज़ करना. Objected, objected. Occupy, कब्जा लेना, कब्जा करना. Occupied, occupied. Offer, पेश करना. Offered, offered. Operate, चलाना. Operated, operated. Oppose, मुखालफत करना. Opposed, opposed. Organize, मुनज़्ज़म करना. Organized, organized. O, ज़ेर बार होना. Owed, owed. Pack, सामान बांधना. Packed, packed. Pardon, माफ़ करना. Pardoned, pardoned. Participate, शिरकत करना. Participated, participated. Pass, गुजरना. Passed, passed. Pay, अदा करना. Paid, paid. Perform, करके दिखाना. Performed, performed. Permit, इजाज़त देना. Permitted, permitted. Preach, तबलीग करना. Preached, preached. Pretend, बहाना बनाना. Pretended, pretended. Print, छापना. Printed, printed. Progress, तरक्की करना. Progressed, progressed. prohibit मना करना, prohibited, prohibited. protect हिफाजत करना, protected, protected. protest एहतजाज करना, protested, protested. publish शाया करना, published, published. punish सजा देना, punished, punished. quarrel लड़ना, झगड़ना, quarrelled, quarrelled. question सवाल करना, questioned, questioned. qualify म्यार पर पूरा उतरना, qualified, qualified. recognize पहचान करना, recognized, recognized. recover बहाल करना, recovered, recovered. reduce कम करना, reduced, reduced. reject इनकार करना, rejected, rejected. remember याद रखना, याद करना, remembered, remembered. याद रहना. remind याद दिलाना, reminded, reminded. remove मिटाना, removed, removed. represent नुमाइंदगी करना, represented, represented. rescue बचाना, rescued, rescued. resign इस्तीफा देना, resigned, resigned. roar गर्जना, धाड़ना, roared, roared. rob लूटना, robbed, robbed. That's all for now. This is the part 5, and for the part 6 you need to wait for the next video. That's all for now. Thanks for being with the A.